Want to unlock hidden patterns in your data and compare distributions like a pro? Let's dive into creating a powerful box plot with 2 dimensions in Qlik Sense. First, open your Qlik Sense app and navigate to the sheet where you want to add the box plot. Click the Edit button to enter edit mode. On the left side, find the Charts panel and locate the box plot chart type. Drag and drop it onto your sheet. Now, in the Properties panel on the right, you'll see where to add your dimensions and measure. The first dimension, let's say product category, will be your primary grouping. Drag and drop the product category field into the dimension area. Now for the magic, add your second dimension, perhaps region, right below the product category dimension. This will allow you to compare the distribution of your data across different regions within each product category. Next, drag and drop your measure, the value you want to analyze, like sales, into the measure area. Qlik Sense will automatically calculate the necessary statistics to create the box plot. And there you have it. Your box plot is now displaying the distribution of sales for each product category. Broken down by region, you can easily identify the median, quartiles, and outliers for each group, giving you a clear visual comparison. Use this to identify high and low performing regions and product categories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Qlik Sense tips.